Hello everyone and welcome back to Simple Tips. Today we're going to show you how to make a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie recipe. It's very simple and you should definitely try it. So let's get started. So first off, here are our ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and a half cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar depending on how sweet you want your cookies to be. So now we're going to add all of our ingredients together into the bowl. So now our dough is ready. Now you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the dough and make a small ball with your hands. Just like that. And then you're going to put it on the tray. Take a fork and give it one push like that. Then another push like that. And continue making the balls. So now our oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to put the cookies in for 8 to 10 minutes. So here are our cookies. They're all done. This is a very quick and easy cookie recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn your post notifications on so you know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching and bye!